Give you guys a quick little review on this to see what you're getting in the box. It is Lamtto, Lamtto DC22 is the part number or the Dashcam model number. You do have Sentinel recording. This can be plugged into your OBD port or plugged into a outlet with a USB-C so you can record at home or in your office. As you can see, if I can get these indicator lights, there goes one. And there's an app you can download. You're getting your manual OBD to Type-C thing so you can eject SIM. It does have 4G, right? So there's an app and there's an optional 4G plan. You don't need it. I think that's the only downside, but you will have to pay for that plan. You don't need it though. Dual recording G sensor. It does do 1080p 60 frames per second. This is your rear facing camera. This is your front facing camera. And here are your buttons, your light indicator on the side, Type-C, your mic, and the speaker. And that's your light indicator. This is where you can mount it. You can angle it as well. There's the mount. I actually had to peel this off, but it comes with double-sided tape. And then double-sided tape for the wires wherever you want to put this at. The receiver box. And it comes with some zip ties. So you can, so you can do this basically. So we're going to go screen record on the app to show you what all it can do. And then I'm going to show you how the dash cam footage looks. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You can angle it. Has a G sensor. It can withstand a lot of temperature. Well, I'm not going to say a lot, but whatever. Comes with a 4 GB memory card. AI human-based detection and tracking. This does notify you. It will notify your phone if it detects vibration or movement in the vehicle or people walking around outside the vehicle. But let's go to the app real quick. So if we open our U-Box Pro app, we can see the kitchen pretty much. And let's see, if I walk by, it's not showing me the exact preview because I haven't clicked on it, but there goes notification, right? Activity detected. It's me walking in front of it. But if I click on it, it's going to show me it in real time. There goes the 4G data plan I was talking about. Now it's showing me real time. And there, obviously there's a delay and I can unmute it, but let me walk away and do that. You know what that's going to do if I'm standing next to it and unmute it. Here you go, so you can kind of hear it. If I tap on the wall, let me see if it'll get that. Yeah, it got that too, so turn that off. But yeah, it's a pretty good app. Pretty easy to understand. If you want to add a device, you will have to type in your location and turn on your Bluetooth and things like that. They do have customer service built into the app. Here is things that you can do for your notification settings if you don't want it to be notifying you every little second and things like that. Change your resolutions. And up top, we can add a device where that plus symbol is at. I can't really click on it because the screen record thing is right there. There we go. Add a device we can scan. And once you want to record something or save a video, it does go directly into your gallery, to your album, a specific album for this app. Now, here is the drawback. That's pretty much it. Cloud video save for 30 days, data encryption, real-time motion detection alerts. Is it worth it? I'm not sure. It's completely up to you, but it is a good quality or convenience to have, right? And it's not too pricey, but with everything involving subscriptions nowadays, it's just I wish that there was a better way to do this, but if they take off the subscriptions, it's probably going to increase the price of the dash cam. Dash cam is under $120 as of right now. So yeah, that's about it for this video. We finna hop into the actual dash cam, and catch you guys in a minute.
We're doing a quality check. As you can see, good quality camera. You know, good quality. I like it. Then again, you don't really need 4K for a dash cam. 720 is honestly good enough. But this is good quality. We're going to be testing the sound. I'm going to put it right next to the dashboard. I'm going to turn the AC all the way up. Testing the mic volume. The AC is on full blast. Hello. Good morning. How you doing? AC on full blast. Right. Mic should still be good. Turn that down. Just the blinkers. There's also a vacuum going on and some other stuff going on outside. So I don't know if you can hear that, but got the engine, got the radio. Tom Brady, man, you know, halfway. He's had a great retirement. He done had a great football career. He's a football analyst. Now he's just testing the mic volume, but other than that, the thing notifies you of any little mishap. You know, any vibration, anybody walking by. Boy, I got so many notifications on the phone while I was trying to mount the camera to the windshield. It's actually really good. I give it that. It's actually really good. We're doing a quality